IndiGo's operational crisis entered its fourth day on Friday, causing a widespread chaos at airports across the country. Passengers have been left stranded without basic amenities such as food and water, while weakened service counters and increasing incident of lost luggage have added to the frustration. The disruption intensified after IndiGo suspended all departure from Delhi airport until midnight, following the cancellation of more than 550 domestic and international flights on Thursday. The worst affected routes include major city connections such as Pune, Bengaluru, Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad and Goa, leading to severe delay and congestion nationwide. Tripura has also been hit particularly hard, with Agartala Airport heavily reliant on IndiGo for connectivity to Delhi, Kolkata, Guwahati and Bengaluru. Multiple cancellations have stranded passengers, disrupted essential travels, hampered cargo movement and dealt a blow to local tourism. The lack of alternative flight options has further deepened the impact on the state. Bureau Report News Now.